Hi, I want to show you exactly what is required on your Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to start from the very beginning. So this will probably be multiple parts. To start out with, you can go to your email, click on your waffle, click on Sheets. Please name your sheet. You're going to start a new blank spreadsheet. And before you do anything, click up here and write your last name, the name of this lab, density of irregular solids. Then down, I usually just start here on number 2 column. You can start wherever you want. But what you need is to go ahead and label your column headings. So the first one was the sample number, the second, mass in grams. Notice I put grams right up here at the top so that I don't have to include it down here. You do not want to put the numbers and the units down here because it will mess up your calculation. So you put it up at the top of the column. Okay, then there was the total mass in grams, initial volume in milliliters, that's a little L, or excuse me, a little m, capital L, and final volume in milliliters. Then we had sample volume in milliliters, and then the total volume of your sample in milliliters. I want to spread some of these columns out here so that I can see everything. I can just click and drag. So that I can see it all. And another thing that is good to do with your column headings is to highlight that row, and we're going to center them so that they look a little bit better, and I can just hit bold, and all of your column headings are going to be centered and they're going to be bold. All right, now from here we just type our sample down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 5 samples. Now for this column, it looks good. You do not have to if you center these, okay? It's easier if most of these other ones are not centered, but if you have something like this where you have these simple numbers, that looks better centered. It's not a requirement though. All right, so before I go on, I need to show you down here. We're going to double click on that and we're going to name this data. We're going to add a new sheet and we're going to name this percent error. Okay, so at this point, we've gotten the general setup of your sheet. So go on to the next video to see how to put these numbers in.